In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to buttons in Webflow. If you've ever wanted your call to action to feel clearer and more polished, adding a small icon to a button can make a big difference. It helps communicate intent at a glance. Think an arrow for learn more or a cart for buy now. I'll show you a simple, reliable way to do this in Webflow so your design looks clean and stays easy to manage. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. Head to the page and section where you want your button to live. It helps to zoom in a bit and switch to the device breakpoint you're designing for, so you can see spacing and alignment clearly as you work. Next, open the Add panel and find the button element. Drag a button onto your canvas right where you want it. Give it a class name so you can style it consistently across your site. While you're here, dial in the basics: text, font, padding, and background color, so the button feels right before you bring in the icon. A well-styled base makes the icon placement a lot faster. Now, get your icon ready. The easiest approach is to copy it from your design tool or your asset library and paste it directly into the button. SVG icons are ideal because they stay crisp at any size and can often be styled to match your brand color. PNGs work too if that's what you have. After you paste, Webflow will place the icon as an image element inside the button alongside your text. From here, refine the look. If the icon is too large or too small, adjust its width until it visually balances with the label. To keep things tidy, you can align the icon and text on a single row, add a bit of space between them, and center them vertically so they feel like one cohesive unit. If you prefer the icon on the right instead of the left, simply move it after the text. For accessibility, use clear button text so the meaning is always readable, and if the icon is purely decorative, mark it as such so screen readers can focus on what matters. Finally, keep your icons consistent. Use the same visual style, stroke weight, and color approach across all buttons. And that's it. Open your project, add a button, and paste your icon on the button. Then fine-tune sizing, spacing, and alignment. With just these steps, your buttons will look sharper and communicate actions more effectively.